आवाज येतोय माझा? हॅलो, गुड आफ्टरनून. आवाज येतोय माझा?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
Yes, ma'am.
ओके Okay, we are meeting after a long time for new batch. This is first lecture. Myself, Dr. Snehal Patil. We'll start with new drug today, that is Calcarea carb. For new batch, introductory lectures will be taken by Dr. Soman sir. So we'll start with new drug. So can anyone tell me what is Calcarea carb?
Oyster shell.
Oyster shell. Anything else? You can unmute yourself.
Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate. Anything else? Yes. Vallabh, Pranjali, Shivani. You can unmute yourself and can answer. Yes, new batch also can answer. Yes, Pooja, Pratiksha, Komal. Okay. So today we'll start with Calcarea carbonica. You can see in image, it is oyster shell. So Calcarea carb is prepared from middle layer of oyster shell. Can anyone tell what is doctrine of signature? What is doctrine of signature? What is doctrine of signature? You can unmute yourself.
Coldness.
Doctrine of signature.
Doctrine of signature is art
The
which
similar symptoms of the patient.
or the patients.
Yes, Tuba.
Ma'am, it is an art by which we this क्या बोलते हैं इसको? We compare the patients with the drugs like pulsatilla and all,
External
like
feature.
yeah,
We can
external
compare the
features and what
external
are the
feature of
symptoms.
patient with drug.
Okay.
Yeah, we compare those symptoms with the patient.
Okay.
The relation between external physical properties.
Okay. Okay. So doctrine of signature means we compare the external features or some important features of the source of that drug with that personality. So in Calcarea carb, as I had told, that it is prepared from middle layer of oyster shell. So you can see it is middle layer of oyster shell. So it is protected or covered. So calcium carbonate, it is covered with oyster shell. So same in personality, in Calcarea carb personality, we can see that there is a need of continuous protection or security. So they want to be protected always. Before calcium, it is very important for our body. It is important for formation and maintenance of our bones and teeth. It is important for coagulation of blood. It regulates the neuromuscular activity and also muscular contractility. So calcium is very important in our body. So in deficiency syndromes, also we can use calcium carbonate as a supplementary. Or in the persons when there is a tendency for deficiency of calcium, in that cases we can use calcium carbonate. So in introduction, its common name is middle layer of oyster shell or calcium carbonate. Its formula is CaCO3. Its prover Dr. Hahnemann. So constitution. Constitution means for new batch. Constitution means the external appearance of the person. Sorry. So Calcarea carb has leucophlegmatic constitution. What is the meaning of word leucophlegmatic? Leuco means obese, fatty, and phlegmatic means slow personality, which moves slowly, acts slowly. So leucophlegmatic. आळशी लोक आपण म्हणतो स्लो असतात ते स्लो पर्सन्स. So main constitution of Calcarea carb is they are suited to fair, fatty and flabby patients who becomes easily fatigued. They are fat but not fit. They get easily fatigued. Their head is large with open fontanelles and sutures. Thermally, they are very chilly patients. Miasm, it covers SORA and psychotic miasm. For new batch, these are new terms. SORA and psychosis miasm. You will learn it in organon. Basic, remember that there are three types of miasm mainly. That is SORA, psychosis and syphilis. But one more miasm is there, that is tubercular miasm. But main there are three miasms. SORA, psychosis and syphilis. So in that, Calcarea carb is mainly SORA and psychosis. Diathesis. Diathesis means the person has tendency for some diseases. So in Calcarea carb, there is a scrofulous diathesis. The word meaning scrofulous means there is a tendency for glandular complaints. Means there may be thyroid problems, thyroid gland problems, or any endocrinal or exocrinal gland problems. So scrofulous diathesis, tendency for glandular complaints. Rachitic diathesis, rachitic means ricket. The deficiency of calcium or vitamin D can cause ricket. So in Calcarea cow also there is a tendency for ricket, deficiency. Also tubercular diathesis. Tubercular diathesis means there is a tendency for tuberculosis. The body shape of Calcarea cow. If any doubt, you can message me or call me personally after lecture. Body shape of the Calcareas. Remember 4F for Calcarea cow. That is, they are fair, they are fat, they are flabby, and freezing. Freezing means they get chilled easily. Thandi vaste त्यांना खूप. So they are fair, fat, flabby, and freezing tendency. Remember these 4F for Calcarea cow. They are fair, fat, flabby, and freezing. With fine hairs, they are puffy but having delicate face. Dr. Margaret Tyler, she says that the Calcarea cow with chalky complexion. Chalky complexion means they want to say fair or whitish look. Chalky complexion, fatness without fitness means they are fat but gets easily fatigued. So fatness without fitness, sweating without heat. As already told, they are chilly patient. There is a tendency for cold or freezing. So there is profuse sweating, profuse perspiration. There is a sweating without heat. In the cold environment also, they are having profuse perspiration. So there is a sweating without heat. Bones without strength. Tissues of plus quantity and minus quality. Means you can compare with plus quantity like fat, but it is of minus quality, not important. They are mere flabby persons, bulky with weakness and weariness. In one sentence only, Dr. Margaret Tyler explains the Calcarea cow. Like they are with chalky complexion, fatness without fitness, sweating without heat, bones without strength, tissues of plus quantity and minus quality. They are more flabby, bulky, with weakness and weariness. So she said that it is difficult to miss Calcarea child. So you can imagine the nearby childs. You may have seen the Calcarea child. You can see in the image also, the first image, child. Chubby child, slow child, who moves slowly, or their milestones are slowly. Also, Dr. Blackie refers especially a children who are very charming, smiling, but they sit where they are put and do not mingle about like other children. Means एखादं लहान बाळ ज्याला एका ठिकाणी बसवलंय ते तसंच बसतं, इकडे तिकडे पळत नाही जोपर्यंत आपण त्याला उचलत नाही तोपर्यंत. म्हणजे एकाच ठिकाणी बसतात, स्लगिश असतात, त्यांना जास्त मुवमेंट्स आवडत नाहीत, जास्त ऍक्टिव्ह नसतात, स्लो स्लगिश चाइल्ड्स. They are looking very charming, chubby childs, always smiling, but they are sluggish. You can imagine that child. With blonde hairs, light complexion, sometimes blue eyes, pale weak persons, already told, flabby muscles, sweating easily, takes colds easily. Also, in deficiency cases, there is a curvature of bones, especially spine and long bones, so suited for ricket, osteomalacia. Children have no disposition to walk or will not try for walking. So delayed milestones, delayed walking, delayed speaking, delayed dentition. So all milestones are delayed in Calcarea-Carp child. How will Calcarea-Carp patient look and how will it diagnose? By handshakes. So you can see the blue shirt guy, that is Calcarea-Carp. So while handshake, there is a no firm responding grip. Their hands are clammy. Clammy means, it means sweaty. Ole ole असतात हात. So no firm responding grip, tight grip नसेल, हात ओले असतील, clammy hands, they are flabby and floppy person, boneless kind of hand grip, means you will feel like soft hands, कापूस सारखे soft, boneless kind of hand grip. So no bone, no firm responding grip. So you can identify by handshake also Calcarea person. So their hands are clammy. Clammy means ओलसर हात असतात, sweating असते हातांना. So no firm responding grip. Their hands are clammy hands. Flabby and floppy person. Boneless kind of hand grip. Soft असतात hand एकदम. Like there are no bones. Facial expression of Calcarea-Carp person. That how will you diagnose the Calcarea-Carp patient? By their look or by their expressions. Mainly, there are 4 types of expression in Calcarea-Carp. First is anxious look. The first picture, anxious look. Second, there is continuous insecure feeling. As in, they are in oyster shell. If they are or they have to go outside, they feel continuously insecure. Sometimes expressionless face, like fourth image, expressionless face. Like second image, puffy face. So facial expression, 4 types of facial expressions. Anxious look, insecure look, expressionless face, and puffy face. Pale looking, as they are fair, or sometimes due to anemia, they look pale. Or the young woman or man looks like old person. So old looking expressions. Swollen upper lip. The eyes surrounded by dark rings, dark circles, greasy hairs, whiskers falling out of hairs. Facial expression sometimes like idiotic look. Idiotic means like confused look, idiotic. Bowed सारखा expression. Sickly expression, आजारी असल्यासारखे look दिसतं. So by facial expression we can identify personality. So anxious look, insecure look, expression look, expressionless face, or puffy face. These are 4 important facial expression of Calcarea carp person. Voice of the Calcarea carp person. Soft and womanish voice. एकदम soft voice असते and womanish voice. Even the male personality having womanish voice. Female सारखा आवाज असतो. They can scream. There may be polarity. Like sometimes they have soft voice or they can scream loudly. So there may be polarity. Tongue of the Calcarea carp patient. There is a dryness, persistent sore taste in the mouth. Dryness mainly in the night. There is a burning pain at the tip of the tongue. It is worst or aggravated when anything warm is taken. So tongue is dry. The dryness is mainly marked in the night. There is a persistent sore taste in the mouth. आंबट चव असते तोंडात continuously. And burning pain, आग होते, burning pain at the tip of the tongue. But it gets aggravated when anything warm is taken into the stomach. Nails of the Calcarea carp patient, they are glossy and spotted. Mainly white spots are seen on the nails. It is the sign of calcium deficiency. Spotting is seen on the nails. There may be hangnails, brittle and exfoliation of the nails. Easily तुटतात, brittle असतात, ठिसूळ असतात. Sensation of twitching in the nails. Gesture. They are short limb person, hair fat and flabby. We have seen this. So till here, mainly we have seen what is the constitution of Calcarea carp patient. How they look, how we can identify by expressions. So we'll revise like they are having leucophlegmatic constitution. They are fair, fat, flabby and freezing. These 4 F's are very important. The fair, fat, flabby patient who becomes easily fatigued. They are tired on walking, with much sweating, with cold extremities and sour smell of the body, and with profuse perspiration. The perspiration mainly characterized like it is present on head, mainly on head. The head sweats profusely while sleeping. There is a profuse perspiration mainly on the back of the head, that it weights the pillow under the head. रात्री झोपताना जर पिलो घेतला तर पिलो पूर्ण ओली होते, इतकं त्यांना स्वेटिंग होतं. So mainly Calcarea carp, it is the mineral. So as we have seen doctrine of signature, that we compare the oyster shell, the middle layer of oyster shell and Calcarea personality. As it is inside the oyster shell, it is protected or secured. So the main feeling of Calcarea carp, it is need for security, need for protection. We can also compare it with bones, as the main constituent of bone is calcium. So it also gives protection to human beings. At it supports or protects the body, supports the body. So it is also doctrine of signature. We can compare the Calcarea carb with the chalk, as chalk is calcium carbonate. How it is? It is brittle, easily breakable. So the bones of Calcarea carp patient are easily breakable. They get recurrent fractures. Their bones are brittle. So calcium offers protection not only to the human in the form of bones, but also in earlier forms of life in the form of shell, like exoskeleton. So what we have seen, the main theme of Calcarea carb is need for protection. But in order to get this protection, the person does not need to make any effort. All he has to do is show a vital reaction. So there is a feeling of being too weak to face the cruelty and roughness of the world. So how they show? They show to the other people that they are very weak. They cannot face the problems. Or we can see the children who are very pampered child. They are always protected by parents. But when they go outside, they also choose the friend circle, the friends who protect them. They show the people that they are very weak, they need protections. So they also live in that friends or friend circle who protect them. So they cannot do their own work individually or independently. They need always support. The Dr. Shankaran says that the Calcarea carp tries to build protective wall of defense around himself, which will ensure that he is safe, secured, and covered like developing embryo within an egg. What Dr. Shankaran says, the Calcarea carp tries to build a protective wall of defense around himself, which will ensure that he is safe, secured, and covered like developing embryo within an egg. He seeks the protection he needs by expressing a lot of fears. He surrounds himself by a lot of people who protect him. So you can see that, or you can imagine that a person who needs protection always, who seeks the people who will protect him. The Calcarea carp persons are persons who don't go out much, don't want any adventures in life, like Noxomica person. The Noxomica person always likes some adventures, or they want to go outside continuously, or like sulfur, dominating personalities. They continuously, or tuberculinum, they wants to move always outside, or likes traveling continuously. The Calcarea carp opposite, like they don't want to go much out or don't want to do any adventures in life. They are person who are happy in their own surroundings. They choose the persons who protect them or on whom they can depend. This protection can be in the form of money also. So there is a continuous fear of poverty. This is also important rubric. That is, there is a fear of poverty. गरीब होण्याची भीती वाटते त्यांना, or fear of losing money. So they can also feel that money will provide them protection, or if they are having money, there is no need of anyone. So protection can be in the form of money. So there is a continuous fear of poverty. So we have seen the theme of the Kalkeraka, that is need of protection. We'll see some examples of that personalities. That there is a desire to be magnetized. It is meaning of magnetized म्हणजे त्यांना कन्सोलेशन जास्त आवडतं, किंवा असं आपण म्हणतो की डोक्यावरून हात फिरवला किंवा त्यांना कन्सोल केलं तर त्यांना बरं वाटतं. So Kalkeria ka patients, there is a desire to be magnetized. That is, they allow one's will be to be taken over by another person. म्हणजे one sec. They allow or they follow someone's advice very easily. Or if patient comes to you, they says that doctor, tell me what to do. I will do exactly as you say. Means they follow the each and everything of which doctor says. They completely depends on you. They will do anything, each and everything what you say. So they becomes dependent on you. Or we'll see example of one woman who completely protected first by her parents during childhood, and afterwards by husband. So there is no need for cope up. But sometimes the girls who are protected first by parents, then there is a fear in that girls to get married, because they feel that they will not get that protection. So there is a fear of getting married. They are unable to trust on some person, or they are unable to trust that they will find same security as her parents are giving her. So there is a fear of getting married in girls. So this girl who is always protected by her parents, if she got married to a man who will protect her, then it is okay. But if she does not get that type of protection, then the complaints are started. Then there is a causation. or there is a feeling of insecurity. It is same like in men's also. For example, in young men, there is a much dependent on their parents who remain bachelor till the late and then try to find a mother substitute for wife. So it is seen in males also, that they are dependent on their parents and remain bachelor for a long time, and they try to find the mother substitute for a wife. So they want the same person who will protect them. But when they did not get that same type of protection, then their complaints started. Then there is allergic rhinitis or some GIT disturbance, or hairline fractures are also can happen. So they don't take easily responsibilities. स्वतःहून कोणत्याच रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कधीच घेत नाही कॅल्केरिया काफ पेशंट. You can imagine a person who is working for a longer period or years together at one single position. They don't take the responsibilities or don't take a new work or initiatives. It is main theme of that person, theme of the Kälkeriä Cup. But what happens when we give Kälkeriä Cup to the patient for drug proving? The new batch, you may learn drug proving in pharmacy. We give for drug proving a drug for in repetition to produce the symptoms on healthy person. So what happens when we give Kälkeriä Cup to the healthy person? So Kälkeriä Cup produces impairment in nutrition of various organs, particularly bones. They alters the composition of blood with main action on skin and bone. So when we give Kälkeriä Cup to a healthy person, it produces impairment in nutrition of various organs, mainly in the bones. It manifests increased local or general perspiration. As we have seen, one symptom of Kälkeriä Cup, there is a profuse perspiration. So when we give to the healthy person, it produces local or general perspiration. There may be swelling of glands as it has scrofulous diathesis. So it produces swelling of the glands. It may soften or bends the bones because Kälkeriä Cup is the main constituent of bone. So when we give to the healthy person, it affects the bones. It can cause abscess. So main sphere of action of Kälkeriä Cup is bones, glands, blood, skin, mind, and female genital organs. What is the important sphere of action of Kälkeriä Cup is on bones, glands, blood, skin, mind, and female genital organs. Clinically, it is indicated for various abdominal disorders, for anemia, as it can produce impairment in nutrition. It is very good remedy for anemia. It can cause bone affections. Dentition, for delayed dentition, we can use Calcarea carb. Also for diabetes, diarrhea, dropsy. Dropsy means accumulation of fluid, edema. Dropsy. For epilepsy, for fever, glandular affections, lung affections, menstrual disorders. So there are a number of clinical conditions in which we can use Calcarea carb. As it is a polycrest remedy, polycrest means it covers head to toe symptoms. So we can apply for any clinical condition which will cover its mental, physical constitution. It is also used for rheumatism, that is joint complaints. We can use it for ricket. We can use it for skin affections or worm troubles. For worms also we can use Calcarea carb. So we will revise in short what we have seen today. Its common name is middle layer of oyster shell, calcium carbonate. Its formula is CaCO3, proven by Dr. Hahnemann. Constitution, it has leucophlegmatic constitution. It is suited for fair, fatty and flabby person who becomes fatigued easily. They have large heads, open fontanelles and sutures. They are thermally chilly. This word is new for new batch. That is, if the patient is thermally chilly, means they takes cold easily. थंडी जास्त वाजते त्यांना. आणि याच्या अपोजिट some patients are hot patients, ज्यांना गरम जास्त होतं. So in short, thermally, these patients are chilly patients. Miasm, it covers psora and psychosis miasm, diathesis, scrofulous, rachitic and tubercular diathesis. Body shape, 4F, fair, fat, flabby and freezing. They have fine hairs, puffy but delicate face. Dr. Margaret Tyler explained the Calcarea carb in one sentence only. That Calcarea carb having chalky complexions, that is whitish complexion, chalk-like complexion. There is a fatness without fitness, sweating without heat, bones without strength, and tissues of plus quantity and minus quality with flabby, bulkiness and weakness and weariness. So this one sentence gives the constitution of Calcarea carb. Also, Dr. Blackie refers the children who are very charming, smiling, and they sit where they are put and do not mingle about like all the other children. You have seen this. The handshake of Calcarea carb person, it is not firm or responding grip. their hands are clammy hands. Clammy means ulcer असतात. There is a sweating on palms. So clammy hands. They are flabby and floppy person. Boneless kind of hand grip, as if there is no bone. Facial expressions. Important 4 facial expression of calcarea carp person. That is, they are anxious, having insecure look, expressionless face, and puffy face. Voice is soft and womanish voice, but it can be polarity. Tongue is dry, having persistent sore taste in the mouth. Dryness is mainly marked in the night. There is a burning pain at the tip of the tongue, which is worse when anything warm